These are the procedures that I do that I think are the best alternatives to Botox. I think this is a very important video, so I want you guys to listen up. First is microneedling. I used to get it twice a year, but now I'm upping it to 3 times a year. And I think it's an amazing procedure to help stimulate the collagen production and also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Second, acupuncture for your face, specifically TMJ. And I have really bad TMJ. I grind my teeth a lot to the point where my dentist was like, if you keep grinding like this, you're gonna have no teeth in 20 years. So I have tried Botox just on one side once, and I know you probably have to be consistent to be able to see results. However, I didn't just want to rely on this consistently. However, when I tried Botox just for my TMJ, I saw results in just after one session. And besides that, instead of freezing your face, I think doing acupuncture brings more natural blood flow, blood circulation to your face, allowing you to look more youthful and natural. Third, a chi facial. I just got this done for the first time, and it's so cool because it uses 24K gold micromagnets to generate chi energy to stimulate more cellular repair. And I went because I had this scar from burning my skin, and it was able to calm it down so fast within 45 minutes. And this energy is able to heal the most sensitive skin and even wounds. Because these restore and accelerate cellular repair, it is also able to reverse aging.